Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So, on this video, I'm going to teach you how to read papers quickly and effectively with the use of AI. And right now, I'm currently inside a Chrome web store, and this is the extension we're going to utilize on this video. It's going to be called Scholarcy browser extension. Now, if you can't find this exact website, here's what you're about to do. Open a new tab, likewise, and then just type in Scholarcy extension. Once you type that up, you'll see this result. Click it and you'll go back on the one from earlier. Let me just go back to it right now. So once you're here, make sure you click on this button right here because currently it says remove from Chrome because I already have downloaded it. But if you haven't downloaded it just yet, this will say add to Chrome. So simply click on it and you'll see Scholarcy on this section right here. So right now, it's not really establishing because this is not an article. However, you'll see Scholarcy right here, should be right there. I suggest click on that pin icon, make sure it's pin or taskbar right there. Now once you're settled with that one, we need to find an article to work with. Now good thing I have two samples here, let's go to them right now. So I have this sample right here, the title is NKG2D, CAR-T cells eliminate senescent cells in aged mice and non-human primates. Basically it's a science paper. And the next one is greenhouse effect. Let me just go to it right now. For this paper, it's going to be called Greenhouse Effect 101. We're going to utilize both papers because I want to show you the difference regarding it and how to utilize the extension. Now let's go back on the science paper from earlier. Of course, once you're here, the AI will help you gather the information. It's just going to be by your own preference how you read it. Rather than hovering all your mouse there, searching and seeing all of the abstract right here, the images, the computation, this is pretty overwhelming. Trust me, this is a lot of information to cram it all in one go. Of course, this will take days or not even weeks of memorizing reading, right? Now, this AI tool can help you, so simply click on the icon right there and you'll see this option. So you'll see the first thing is a tweet. Basically, you can tweet this one regarding the study already. The AI already gathered the most important highlight regarding the title, so you can tweet it if you want. Anyway, the author's right there. Next thing you'll see is the conclusion. Again, conclusion and results are two different things. That being said, you'll see a lot of things here. Basically, if you're familiar with the tool I shared from earlier, another video about it is flashcards. I'm gonna say the same thing or likely the same thing because Scholarcy help you compile the most important thing and organize them by title or by category. You'll see right here, you'll see the title over here. So this is the title, pretty self-explanatory. If you click on that button right there, you'll open up this article that we just opened. Next up, the abstract. So basically the abstract is the idea, what happens with the study. Abstract is just the summary. You'll have the introduction, what happened inside the study, and basically the conclusion on the lower part. That is abstract for you. And for me, please take note about this one. We have the most important part of a paper. First thing is title. Sorry about that, it went out. So first thing is title. Next up is going to be abstract. And then the next most important part are research questions. So you cannot really see research questions on this Scholarcy option. You're gonna see them in the article itself. Now currently this is a very complicated question because this is the part where the research questions are. So we're gonna use the Greenhouse Effect Study 101 to further discuss about research questions. I'm gonna go to it right now. So the research questions for Greenhouse Effects 101 are basically here. You'll see it at the very top from these are research questions. And what are basically research questions? They're questions that can help solve the question or the study itself to further the broad of the study or the scope. That is the research questions for you. They're already asking the questions you want to ask the study. Basically, they're taking initiative. That being said, let's go back to the science paper. So next up, after research questions, we should have this section right here. Go to Scholarcy summary. you should see with this one, it should be around here. Conclusion. Here we have it. So conclusion is already at the upfront from earlier. This is another part, or rather a very important part of a paper. Make sure to highlight this one or make sure to take note of them. As you can see right here, conclusion is already a very brief summary of what happened. This is the ending or the end part of the subject. Now, other part of conclusion, it should be discussion. Right now, discussions should be right here, but we have results rather than discussion. That being said, they're just intertwined or same like. Now, there is another thing that I want you to take note about this one. Is going to be computer, or rather, comparative analysis. Now, comparative analysis is helpful because it will help you differentiate your work from other people's work. For example, differs from previous work right there, builds on previous research. You'll see where is your strength, your weaknesses, and where can you improve. And please believe me when I say this is a pretty powerful feature because Scholarcy already gives you some constructive criticism. It's pretty helpful regarding an AI can do that because, to be honest, not all people can give you constructive criticism at the best part of it. And that is Scholarcy for you. Now, for example, we're good here. Let's just build our research paper, our summary. So we're gonna get a title. Now, you can use a lot of things here regarding building up your paper or organizing it, or rather compiling. You can use Notion. You can use a lot of things. You can use Figma, Excel, PowerPoint, but for me, I'm going to utilize Microsoft Word. I'm going to open Microsoft Word right now. Open a blank document. Now, rather making it full screen, let's multitask. I'm going to minimize it right there. So I'm just going to expand it a little bit and then move it over here and open up my paper. So first thing is going to be a title. Open the title. Open the title, open the word, play the title right there. So we have a title. Next up, we're going to open the abstract. So I'm going to type in abstract right here. Now again, this is just an outline how it should look like. It doesn't really mean that you have to copy everything I do here. I'm just showing you how to organize and fully utilize Scholarcy. So for example, we have abstract right here. Perfectly placed. Now next up, we have the research questions. I'm gonna skip research questions right now because it's on greenhouse effect. I'm gonna move on with discussions and conclusions. Perfectly right here. Now for conclusions, we're gonna go here. It's not really at the upfront section. So you need to click on Scholarcy summary first. And you'll see right there the conclusions. Pretty awesome, right? So go back here, open the Word document. Click on the Word document right there. Sorry about that. We have a letter V. Now, basically with this one, I think we're good here because I'm just showing you how to fully utilize Scholarcy. Again, guys, take note. The most important part of a paper is title, abstract, research questions, discussions or conclusions. We have comparative analysis, and again, compile them everything using Scholarcy. Also, one more thing to take note of is you can export it all the way here. So export it by Word document, Markdown or PowerPoint, or by content detailed or summary. You can download the paper and utilize the file on your computer itself. So that being said, thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button and subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.